In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the brightness to even lower on your Windows 11 computer. So if you want to reduce the brightness to the minimum amount possible, then what we need to do is first open up the Start menu and search for Settings and click on the Settings window. In the left-hand side, click on System and then select Display. Now the first thing you can do is obviously adjust this brightness all the way down to the bottom, and once you have this set to 0, it's going to give you the darkest screen possible. Now if you want to reduce the brightness even further, then what you can do is turn on this night light. Now this will help adjust the colors of your screen, so if I click on the drop down arrow, you can basically adjust the strength of this nightlight, and the more you increase this, it should make your screen turn darker. Now another thing you could do is come back over to the settings page, click on the drop down next to brightness, and make sure where it says change brightness based on content, make sure this feature is turned off and disabled. Now if you're using an internet browser and you want this application or page here to be really dark, then what you can do is click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right hand side, click on extensions and select visit Chrome Web Store. Now in the search box, just type in dimmer and hit enter, and there's a bunch of different free ones that we can use. I like to use this one here, which is Screen Dimmer. Click on this and select Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension, and once this has been added, what you can do is click on the extensions bar, and we're just going to pin this to the start bar like so. Click on the brightness, click on the button to turn it on, and then you can go and increase or decrease the screen brightness from here, and you can also turn on or off this blue light filter, and it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.